What up, everybody? July 6th. Got me some new glasses today. I've been needing them for the past 2 years, and I finally got some new ones. Other ones, I don't need. But today I got a sale, finally. I haven't had anything in a few days, to be honest. I've been listening. Only been listening probably between averaging like 2 to 5 things a day, but haven't been much, and I've been kind of running low on things to list because I'm not getting no sales in, and usually I'm using that money to get more stuff, but I haven't been making no sales, and stuff is just sitting right now. But I just got something today. It's a sorry about that. The son needed something. Well, he actually didn't want anything, but anyways, what I sold was today a roasted garlic express cooker, I guess. But I got this back, I think it was my first time going to the Goodwill when I first bought a bunch of stuff. And I forgot what I paid for it. I think I paid between $8 and $10 for it. Let me check real quick. I spent $10 on it. Actually, this is a sale from, I sent some offers out, and I guess this person, out of I think about 10 or 11 offers I sent out, one had it. So I originally had this listed for $39.99 plus shipping, and I gave the buyer a offer $30, and they took it. So it's $30 plus shipping, which they totaled it out to $43.43. That's crazy, but that's what I got so far. So hopefully some comes up and some gets better as it is, but right now I'm sitting in the drought. But we'll get back at you guys later. Get some more of these. What I got, these CDs I'm listing right now. I'm getting these all together and separating them to see what's sold or whatnot, how they are. But I found 3 so far, which it was this one, mushroom head. I think I was put on for I listed for $30. This Betty blowtorch. Obviously this must be something rare, I don't know, but it hasn't sold. I don't think I've seen it sold comps, but people has it listed for about $47, $35, and I just like, it was only 4 listings, so I took the 4 and then I just divided them, and I got an average. It's listed this for 42 and some change. This one right here, Demolition Judas Priest, I listed this, I believe, for about $40. I don't remember. I think it was $40, but that was that. These are the 3 that I found that was excellent condition, and they're selling at a higher little price. So the rest of those CDs, I'm gonna just put them all together and put it in one lot and sell them as is, like that. So till then, I'll see y'all guys in a minute. Peace out. Alright, y'all, what's going on? This is the next day. End up getting the sale. That's one. Maybe slowly I'm about to hopefully pick back up again, but if not, oh well. Anyways, it's Q, student for life, here once again. Just to let y'all know what's up, what I sold. It was a Cisco I don't think I'm gonna pronounce this right, but Meraki, Cisco Meraki is some antenna, like network things. I don't even know exactly what they are, but you have to show a picture. But that's what's up. But I think I had these listed for $89.99, I believe, but I'm not sure. I think it was. But the buyer sent me an offer for $60, and I accepted it. So altogether, they put $60 plus shipping, which is $12 and some change. So it came out about $74 altogether, some change, I think. And got this already boxed up. Gonna have to get ready to ship this off. Already boxed and ready to go. But that's about it. I mean, this is all pure profit because it came from the one on that electronic lot that I have. So after paying for the shipping, which was $8.34, I'm left with about $54. So that's a good, nice little profit. But go ahead and get this shipped off, and that's about it for right now. But until then, I'm hella at y'all very soon.